In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset and pair your Roku remote if it has a pairing button. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually look on your remote and just check to see if your remote does have that pairing button. If it does have a power button up at the top and a microphone beneath it, there's a good chance it also has that pairing button. So flip it, remove that back cover on that remote, and underneath those batteries, you're going to see a small little pairing button. Essentially, just press and hold down on that pairing button for about 5 seconds, and you're going to see a green LED light start flashing. That means the remote is now going to be in pairing mode. After a few seconds, a notification should appear on your TV showing that the remote is connecting, and once the pairing message appears, go ahead and test a few buttons just to make sure everything is working correctly. If the remote does not pair right away, replace or change any of the batteries, try holding down the pairing button again, and also power cycle your Roku device by unplugging it for about 30 to 60 seconds and then plugging it back in and repeating the steps. But that is it. That is how you can reset and pair a Roku remote with a pairing button. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.